Measurement. In this video, we are going to converting metric measurements. Let us review what our metric prefixes are. We had the smallest metric prefixes is milli, centi, deci. We had no prefix here. We had deca, hecto, and kilo. Milli means 1/1000. Centi means 1/100. Deci means 1/10. Deca means 10. Hecto means 100. Kilo means 1000. Actually, milli we say m. Centi we say c. Deci we say d. Deca we say da. We don't get confused. D for deci, da for deca. And hecto means h. Kilo we say k. We have three basic measures that we use: meter, liter, gram. The abbreviation for meter is M, liter is L, and for gram is G. This lesson is on converting measurements. For example, 3 decimeter is equal to how many meters? You need to remember two things while comparing any measurements. This works for any measurements. If you are going from a larger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply. And if you are going from smaller unit to larger unit, you need to divide. Now convert 3 dm to m. Dm means decimeter. And m means meter. Which one is bigger, decimeter or just m? If you look at the chart top here, this side is the smallest units and this side is largest units. dm is here and m is here. So m is bigger than decimeter. This means we are going from a smaller units, that is decimeter, to a larger unit, that is meter. So a smaller unit to a larger unit is division. Here we need to divide. What do we need to divide by? We dividing 3 by something, and that something we divide by is always going to be 10. But sometimes we need to divide by 10 more than one time. How many times we are going to divide by 10? Let's see how far parts meter is from deci. Yes, it's one part. So we have to divide by 10 one time. And other way of thing multiplying or dividing by 10 is just moving the decimal point. When we do 3 by 10, we put decimal point before one digit from our right side. Therefore, 3 decimeter is equal to 0.3 meters. Next example, 6 hectometers is equal to how many decimeters? First of all, do we need to multiply or divide? In this case, we are going to a larger unit to a smaller unit. Deci is a smaller, we need to multiply here. This time we are multiplying by 10. And how many times are we going to multiply by 10? Let us see how far apart hecto is from deci. Hecto is right here and deci is right here. 1, 2, 3 parts. So 3 steps apart we have to multiply by 10 3 times. Therefore, 6 into 10, which is equal to 60. Into 10 is equal to 600. Into 10 is equal to 6000. Thus, 6 hectometers is equal to 6000 decimeters. Next problem. We have 12.46 decagram is equal to how many centigrams? First of all, we need to compare which one is greater unit. Should we multiply or should we divide? Let us compare which one is greater unit. Deca is here and centi is here. So, deca is larger unit and centi is smaller unit. That means we need to multiply. How many times we have to go from deca to centi? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. We have to multiply by 10 3 times. That is, we have to multiply by 1000. If you are multiplying a decimal number by 1000, the decimal point will move towards right 3 places. So, 12,460 is our answer. Hence, 12.46 decagram is equal to 12,460 centigrams.